I got a song filled with shit for the strong-willed. When the world gives you a raw deal, it sets you off till you scream, piss off, screw you when it talks to you like you don't belong. It tells you you're in the wrong field when something's in your mind, don't come true, cause it latched on to you like knock, knock, let the devil in, malevolent as I've ever been. Head is spinning, this medicine screaming, medicine, like a solid ball, like an Allen Poe, bedridden, should have been dead a long time ago. Tylenol, gelatin, sneak my skeletons melting, wicked, knock it all high, but I think I smell the same about the fit, and no one ever me, no one screw it to hell with it. I went through hell with accelerants and blew up myself again. Volkswagen, tailspin, fucking man, my pale skin, man, went from Hellman's and being railed in for handfish, Strauss, Herod, Olympics, 37, freak Nick, how can I be down me in? Bazaar in Florida, roof rooms left on the Florida, motel then. Dr. Dre said, hell yeah, and I got a stamp and postcard with a mailman. And I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care, I care like it waits up, in with the snares in the bass, swear in the face, this fucking rock, and I prepare to get laced because they're gonna taste my venom. I got that venom, that venom, gonna slow up in them, ready to stand any momentum, think it's time to go get them, they ain't gonna know what hit them, when they get me with the venom. I got that venom, that venom, gonna slow up in them, ready to stand any momentum, think it's time to go get them, they ain't gonna know what hit them, when they get me with the. I said knock knock with the devil in shotgun, pit balance in the felt pin, cock fuck barely catch a hot one, it's evident I'm not done, venomous the thoughts spun like you're weaving, you just caught them, held against still feel like a hubcap, much wet beat strangle up my tech, this ain't gonna feel like a love tap, eat painkiller pills, fuck a blood track like what's the name to the pill, in a cup patch, through the car in a reverse of the Indian, nut crashing in the other back, it just mangled, steal my Mustang, Jeep wrangle like with the front smash, much as my rear fender assassin, slim be a combination of an action, kamikaze and Gandhi, translation I will, drop the killers vote when I end up back in India, you ain't gonna be able to tell what the fuck's happening in India, when you're bit with the venom, not going with them, gonna slow up in them, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get them, they ain't gonna know what hit them, when they get me with the venom, I got that venom, not going with them, gonna slow up in them, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get them, they ain't gonna know what hit them, when they get me with the. I said knock knock, let the devil in, alien phone home, ain't no telling when the chokehold on this dangling logo, became a symbiote, so my face when you throw home, just let me with my get the ballboy down, going cock bump, stock, double up, buckshot, tied, double upper right side, double nuts fired, upper cut fire, juggernaut, pump rock, bitches going down like young John, cause the knock put me on like sunbright, why fuck not, you only get one shot, ain't shit till I can't taste it, chasing it straight like a thin tape, and I didn't drink till I faint, and I wake, and a headache, and I take anything, and rectangle, and a shake, and I wait. To face the demons, I'm bonded to these, they're chasing me, but I'm part of you, so escaping me is impossible, now that's on you like a parasite, and I'll probably ruin your parents' life for your childhood too, cause if I'm the music that y'all grew up, I'm responsible for you retarded fools, I'm the super feeling dad, moms losing their marbles too, you marvel that, Eddie Rock the shoot, and I'm the suit, so call me, I got that